garage! Let's fix all these vehicles and find out what they can... Let's see what's broken! Drag the scanner to check it out! You're so smart! Super! Now let's disassemble the concrete mixer truck! Keep going! What do we fix first? The wires are broken. Let's fix it. We need to remove the rocks with pliers. Magnificent! Use a hammer to level out the dents. Excellent! Wonderful! Weld the cracks. Move the tool along the cracks. You're so smart! That's it! The only thing left to do is keep going! You fixed it! The engine is broken. Let's take a look at it. Vacuum the dust and dirt. Awesome! Take apart the broken parts from the engine. Super duper! That's great! Let's install the new parts in the engine. Super duper! Pour engine fluid by color into tanks. Keep going. Great job! The tire is torn. It needs to be patched. Pick up all the junk with pliers. Super duper! That's great! Use a glue gun and fill the holes with glue. Super! Perfect! Put the patches in the circle. Diamond! Star! Rectangle! Heart! Wonderful! Connect the pump to the wheel. Magnificent! Pump it, pump it! Keep going! I knew you could do it! All done! Now help to assemble! Concrete mixer truck! Keep up the great work! You can upgrade the vehicle! We need to get to the construction site! Here is your